Hello students, this is the solution video of this amazing 24 hours challenge. Please watch this solution with very cool mind and keep concentration in every second of this video. So let's start. At first, we will check whether triangle 1 and triangle 2 are congruent or not. So let's draw the triangle 1 and triangle 2. So in triangle 1, we have to find remaining angle in the triangle. So it is 180 minus 50 plus 50. So it will be 80 degree. So now let's write this angle is 80 degree. And the base angles are equal in this triangle. Here base angles are equal in this triangle. So it must be an isosceles triangle. So the remaining side is equal to this side. So it will be 6 centimeter. Now let's see triangle 2. Remaining angle of triangle 2 equal to 180 minus 40 plus 50 degree. So it must be 90 degree. Now let's mention this angle is 90. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can determine the remaining side of triangle 2. So it will be root over 2 root 7 square plus 6 square. So it is 28 plus 36 . So it must be root over 64 and that will be 8 centimeter. So we mention that this side is 8 centimeter. Now let's name the triangles. Let this triangle is ABC and this triangle is PQR. Now let's try to find the sides or angles which may use to congruent them. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PR since each side equal to 8 centimeter. AC is also equal to QR since each side is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle BAC is equal to PQR because each angle equal to 50 degree. So ABC, triangle ABC may congruent to triangle PQR by criteria SAS. But I think you should observe in triangle ABC opposite to angle BAC, opposite to angle BAC is side BC, and which is 6 centimeter. In triangle PQR opposite to angle PQR is PR, which is 2√7 centimeter. It is clear that AC is not equal to PR. So we never conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to PQR if we observe that AC is not equal to PR before proving the congruency. So it is clear that triangle 1 is not congruent to triangle 2. Now let's check triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 3 or not. We already determined the remaining side and remaining angles of triangle 2. So let's figure out triangle 2. So now we have to determine the measures of possible remaining side and remaining angle of triangle 3. So let's figure out triangle 3. So the remaining angle of triangle 3 is 180 degree minus 90 minus 40. So it will be 50 degree. So let's mention this angle is 50 degree. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. We get the remaining side, that is 10 square minus 6 square, so it must be 8 centimeter. So mention this side is 8 centimeter. Now we have to name triangle 3, and it will be x, y, z. So in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, PQ is equal to XY since both sides are length of 8 centimeter. Now QR is equal to XZ since each side of length 6 centimeter, and angle PQR is equal to angle XYZ, but in the figure XYZ is not made by the side XY and XZ, XY and XZ. So this angle is not made by XY and XZ. So we can't take it in this criteria. So in this way, we can't prove the congruency of these triangles. So let's try with another criteria. So in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, angle QPR is equal to angle XZY since both angle is 40 degree. Let's see in figures. PQR equal to angle XYZ since both angle is 50 degree, and PQ equal to XY. But now see in the figure that PQ, that XY not containing the angle XZY and XYZ. See this, these two angles So xy contains this angle yxz and this angle. So clearly ASA criteria is not possible for this, for triangle 2 and triangle 3. In this criteria, if we take QR equal to xz instead of this criteria, let's see. Now see in the figure, QR is opposite to this angle. So, and QPR is equal to the angle XZY, but clearly XZY is not opposite to XZ, because opposite of XZY is XY. So it is clear that AAS is also not possible. Now observe that in triangle PQR, hypotenuse is 8 centimeter, and in triangle XYZ, hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So clearly RHS criteria is also not possible for these triangles. So I think you should observe that opposite side of equal angles are not equal in both of the triangles. See, this is 40 degree. So opposite side is QR, this side, and it is 40 degree. So opposite side is XY. So XY is not equal to QR. Now see, PQR is equal to XYZ, but PR is not equal to XZ, and similar way this PRQ is 90 degree, so opposite side is PQ, and here YXZ is 90 degree, the opposite side is YZ, and these are not equal. In the similar way, you should observe that opposite angles of equal sides are also not equal in the triangles. See, PQ is equal to XY, but the opposite angle of PQ is PRQ is not equal XZY. Now see, QR is 6 centimeter, so opposite of QR is angle QPR, and this is 6 centimeter, so opposite of XZ is XYZ, and they are not equal. Now the remaining angle is not equal to these sides, since PR is not equal YZ. So we can't prove the congruency of triangle 2 and triangle 3 by any criteria of congruency. So triangle 2 is not congruent to triangle 3. Now let's talk about the congruency of triangle 1 and triangle 3. Let's figure out the triangles. Here, only one equal angle property in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, and that is ABC is equal to XYZ. So in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, angle ABC is equal to angle XYZ, and AB is equal to XY, but BC is not equal to YZ. So by these properties, SAS is not possible. So let's try with another way. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, AB is equal to XY and AC is equal to XZ. But look at the triangle BAC, which is not equal to angle YXZ, since 50 degree is never equal to 90 degree. So by these properties, SAS is not possible for this triangle. So finally we can say triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle XYZ. That means triangle 1 is not congruent to triangle 3. So I think you can guess our final answer of this problem, that is triangle 1 is not congruent to triangle 2 and not congruent to triangle 3. So I think this video has been able to remove your misconceptions and confusions. So hope you understood every second of this video. If you really happy with these explanations, then don't forget to like and share this video. So stay happy and stay connected with us.